So you will be given a party list. So there is nothing you can do without the party list. So this is the party list. Do you see it? So before you even go to your items, take a closer look at your party list. So you are having items, description, quantity. You understand? So the very much important thing here that you have to take notice what is the quantity. So the quantity is actually tells you how many times are you supposed to draw item 1, item 2, item 3 up until to item 7. You understand? So it's telling you how many times are you expected to draw that particular item. So we're having item 1 till item 7. So the description is the name. What is the name of item 1? What is the name of item 2? What is the name of item 3? A1. And then from there, then you can come to say, this is what they are talking about. This is this one. Before you even analyze them, read the question. They're saying draw to a scale 1:1, a full sectional front view of the punch set. So the title of this drawing that we are doing is the punch set assembly. Who doesn't know a punch? You don't know a punch. You know a stationary punch. That one. You see, yeah, I've used what? A stationary punch. So the title of the drawing that we are doing is it's a punch set assembly. So surface P on the item 3 must be 10 millimeter above the cutter died item 5. You understand? So the very much important thing here that we have to take note is that they said to draw a full sectional front. So you come to your assembles. To your items now. You have item 1, item 2, item 3, item 4, item 5, item 6, item 7. So you are going to have a challenge if you don't do what we are doing now. Then when you prepare your drawing sheet, then you want to start to draw. You are going to have a challenge. You even struggle. How do I have to start? All these items, guys, they are given in what? In third angle orthographic projection. This is the third angle orthographic projection. So how do we see what is the third? Check your bow is on your what? It's on your right hand side. If this bow was on this side, if this one was on this other side, it becomes what? First angle orthographic projection. This one here. So this one was given according to third angle orthographic projection, which means all these items, they are given in what? In third angle orthographic projection. Are we together? So then let's come right from the beginning, which is item 1. This is the front view of item 1. This is the what? This is the top view of item 1. Remember yesterday night we agreed that we reminded each other on how do we arrange, how is the arrangement views of what? Of the angle orthographic projection. You see there. So that's how the arrangement of third angle orthographic projection. So this is the Cartesian plane, this is the first quadrant, second quadrant, and fourth, isn't it? You still remember? Do you still remember that? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So, yeah? You can draw it, no? Yeah. So now, why am I touching that point? Because of the question said front. What I see here, we're given the front and the top. Front and the top. So this is the top view of item. Do you see? Look at it. This is the top view of item 1. This is the front view of item 1. A1. Go to item 2. This is the top view. This is the front view of item 2. Item 3. This is the top, this is the front. Item 4, this is the top, this is the front. Item 5, this is the top, this is the front. Item 6, this is the front. We're not given the right, we're not given the top there. So item 7, this is the front. So the question said what? Fronts. So which means when you are drawing, you are taking front views out together. And remember, Uguti, what are we doing here? We are doing an assemble. So the parts they must what? join each other, or they must fit to each other. So how do we see this part indeed it will fit there? We look at the shape of the part that you want to fit it on the other one. We look at the shape as well as the dimension altogether. And all the parts, they must be fitted in what? In part 1. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, all of them into item 1. Right, let's start then. Using a scale of 1:1. So this is the what? This is the item 1. We are going to start by drawing item 1 and bear it in mind. The question said a full sectional front view. So which means some of the lines there you won't even draw them. Some of the lines you won't even draw them. Okay, so this is item 1. So I'll start to draw item 1 here. Just draw a faint horizontal line. I draw a line, you also draw a line. I draw a line, you also draw a line. Draw a faint horizontal line. Where's your clash pencil? You don't have. Even me, I left man. So you keep on sharpening this one. Draw it a little bit down. Just go a little bit down. Just go a little bit down. Then now I draw another one somewhere here, faint, going up. Faint, ne? Mm-hmm. Then what is the height of item 1? Get this. So the height of item 1 is 83. Do you see that 83 I'm talking about? Because you must be able to interpret dimension.
Is
83 millimeter. So record 83 millimeter. So after you've gotten your 83, where is my? So to me, I can't. So there is 85, 84, 83 is right here. So I can draw. It's like I'm not going to. Do you have that? Try to be fast. After you've gotten your 15, project them down faint for now. There you go. And there you go. Faint for now. Faint. Right. Yesterday night we analyzed. We have analyzed these items in terms of how are they going to enter each other. You understand? Like as I've said that if you are not with us, you can still catch the video there by our YouTube channel. How do we assemble these parts? You understand? Now, look at item what? Item 3, which is this one. Look at the shape of item 3. The top view shape of item 3, which is this one. And we want to fit item 3. Item 3 must be fitted in item 2. You correspond that with what? With the shape of the items as well as the dimension. Does item 3 fit into item 2? I'm asking. Does item 3 fit into item 2? No. Why is it not fitting? Because of the shape of item 3 as well as the shape of item 2. Whether it's on top or front, it does not fit. So take it towards to the item 1 now. So item 3 fits in item 1. Look at the shape of item 2, item 3, this one. So it's good as if you take this one and fit it there. Look, you see here. So it's good as if you take this thing, you fit it there. So the shape does correspond with us. Let's correspond it with what? With dimension. So the outside diameter of item 3, this one is diameter 30, which correspond with what? With that one. With that one. So indeed item 3 fit in item 1. But bear it in mind, do you see that we are analyzing them using the top views? But bear it in mind, we are drawing the front view. So which means is this one that we have to take. So we are going to take item 3 the way as it is and go and fit it there. Take this one, we fit it there. So from here till here is 30. So we assume this, because from here till here, you see I'm pointing right on my paper. You also have to see where I'm pointing. So from here till here is the 30, which is correspond with that one already. So now what we are going to do, we are going to put the inside. We are going to concentrate on the inside diameter. There is an inside diameter of 20 millimeter. Do you see that one? Yeah. Of 20 millimeter. Because when we cut, these hidden details, they will be exposed. So come to your drawing and record from here. Come and say 10, from here 10. So that from here till there is 20. 20 divided by 2, you are getting how much? 10, isn't it? So from this point, I will record 10 millimeter like this. So I mark at 20 and 0. Do you see that? So after I've gotten that 10, construct them down, faint, down, faint. So we've concluded what item 3 fits into item 1. Let's fit item 2 in item what? In item 1. Let's fit item 2 in item 1. Item 3 is not fitting in item 2 but fits in item 1. Let's fit item 2 into item 1. So item 2, like yesterday night I did explain this one, but let me repeat it. So item 2, it would be fitted in item 1. How? Look at item 7. Before we even go to 7. Item 2, it has got internal thread. These are internal thread. You understand? These are internal thread of what? Of M14. So which means amongst your part list, you must have an M14. So we have an M14, which is item 7. What is the name of item 7? What is the name? If you have forgotten it, remember you have what? You have what? Your part list. Go to your part list. What is the name of item 7? It's a bolt, isn't it? What is the function of a bolt? Is to join two Is to join two a movable parts for a semi-permanent or for temporary, isn't it? So, which means then we are going to join part 2 into part 1 by using what? Part 7. Are we together? Part 2 into part 1. So look guys, it's good as if you can swift away this one. Look at me. It's good as if you can swift away this top view of item 2 and push this one. Push item 2 and be attached to what? To item 1. Why? Because from here till here is diameter what? Is diameter 14, which correspond with what? With this one. From here till here, diameter 14. So from here till here is diameter 14. It's been given that one you're ticking. So that 14 correspond with this M14 and correspond with your item 7. So in other ways, let's draw item what? Item 2 right from this point. How? Right from this point. Do you see this point? Do you have it? Which is this one? This one. So how are we going to draw? This is interesting. Look now. Right from this point, going down, you're going to measure a height of 50. I don't want to say 50 actually. I want to say of 30 of 30 plus 20. So which is 50, isn't it? So now record the 30 right from this point. Do you see this point? So I come and record the 30. I mark. Which 30 is this one? Is that one? Item 2. From here till there. Do you have that 30?
Yeah.
Do it. Oh, born. Do you have item 2, Take your question. Look, this point, in our drawing is good as if it's that one. Yes. So I want you to record this 30 that you see. From here till there is 30 millimeter. I want you to record it right from here going down. Mm-hmm. So once you get your 30, Mina, there is my 30. So once you got your 30, get a horizontal faint line. You see how slow we are? Yes. Mm-hmm. But inside the examination center, you mustn't be slow like this. So from there till there is 30 millimeter. Where's the 30? Where's the 30? Going down. And my brother, extend this vertical center line. Extend it down. So after the 30, there is a what? Who can tell me? After the 30, there is a what? After the 30 millimeter, there is a what? There is a 20, and it's still going down. All together. So get it. From the where your 30 ends, I'll record 20 millimeter, which is that one. Then construct a faint horizontal line. There you go. Faint. That's a 20. Are you there? Okay. So look guys, let's go. We are going now. So we've gotten these ones, this one from here till the 30, from here till it's 20. So now from the very same point, this one, From here till here, get 20 millimeter. From the very same point that you started your 30 going down, isn't it? You started your 30 way, yeah. From here till here. So from here till here, get 20 millimeter. There is something I want to see. Where is the 20? Do you see that your 20 is exactly at this point? Yeah, what? The distance from here till here, it must be 20 automatically. If you are not getting 20, you are out of order.
So
she's getting 21. Okay. Actually, it's supposed to be exactly. Look at mine. This is 20. You understand? So that 20 is already. That is why your drawing board, you might find that this magnet are no longer strong, isn't it? So try to get. That is why I discourage students to buy a drawing board. Okay, let's go. So now, look, guys. So without fear or favor, look, remember that we drew this one dark. We drew this one. So now draw this 50, because from here till there is 30, from here till there is 20. So from here till there dark again. Now you won't even record it, because you've done it already. Dark. Mina, that's how I teach drawing. That is why my students, they pass drawing my guy. I don't draw for you. I let it be done by yourself. You understand? I draw a line, you also draw a line. I draw a line, you also draw. Like that, you will not draw. You'll end up going to teach somebody. Are we there? So now, from here till there is 20, which we have. Do you see? Then from where your 20 ends, there is what? 50. Going horizontal. Let's get that. I want to see something. 50. And that 50 is already we actually have it. Extend this one down. Extend this vertical center line. It's actually giving you the very same 50 we are talking about. That is why I said draw this one vertically down, make it a little bit long, so that it also gives you. Yeah? No, my dear. There's your 50. It's supposed to be here. If from here till here is your 20, I got you. From here till here is not 20, it's 23. Then from, you know why you're getting it. I want to look. Take your question. They said from here till here is 20. Where your 20 ends begins 50. Why you're getting it wrongly like that? You know why she's getting it like that? Look, she's recording the 50 right from here. Yeah. That is why I normally used to say, don't add dimension. Tolerate them the way as they are given. There's your 20, or your 20. So when your 20 ends, now you're going to put your zero. And why are you doing like this? This is 30 most. Put your zero. Yeah. You see? And remember, this is she got instead of 20, the first 20 she got what? 22. Now when I come and put the zero here, it's not 50, it's 51. So please try to be accurate. Okay, let's go. After the 50, look. After the 50, there is another 50. Eh? Another one. So when this first 50 ends, put your 0 there, record 50 millimeter. How? Like this, look at me. This is 50 and mark it 0. So from here till there is already 50 millimeter. So you have it. Now I can, without fear or favor, have this one dark from here till right there. Solid. Solid. There is no need for you to redraw it. We have done it already, Mos. Dark. Okay, so now from here to here is how much? You can tell me. You must be able to read the dimension from here till here. You can tell me how much?
50 plus 70.
Is that 40? Is that 40?
This one.
So from here till here, it's. I wanted you to tell me from here, because this point is that one, isn't it? So from here till here, my question was like, is how much?
From here till here.
I wanted you to tell me that no, that dimension is going to come out by itself if we correlate that 40. You understand? So from here till there is 40. Do you see that 40?
Yes.
It's given right from your top view. So this point is which one? Is that one. So from here, come here, record 40 millimeter. From here till here. I want to see something. I normally used to say 2 or more things they must agree with you. Is the shape of the part that you are dealing with as well as the dimension. 20 times 2 is how much? Where is it? Guys, remember we started with 2 20s right from our front view. Up there. This dimension, they must correspond to each other. So look, guys. In other ways, from here till there, I don't have to record that 40 because I've done it. You understand? Check your what? Your front view. My guy, look. You said 20 and 20, which is give us the very same 40. You understand? So there was no need for us to what? Because from here till there is already the 40. So I can simply get this one dark from here till there. And from here till right there. From here till there, from here till there.